Hi, I'm Alan from ProTrade, and in this video we'll be doing an unboxing of the Lamello Zeta cordless machine, as well as the Lamello Zeta corded machine. We'll also be touching on possible upgrades that are available in forms of the fixing kits available here. So up first we've got the Lamello Cordless Zeta P2. This particular model is the pack with the batteries and charger. Of course you get the Lamello Zeta P2 with diamond blade. You've then got two LIHD Lamello batteries. Now these are the Casa Alliance batteries, so we'll also work with Metabo tools and other brands part of the Alliance. And you've got the charger as well. You then move on to accessories. You get the two packers. You've got the 2mm packer and the 4mm packer, depending on the joint and material you're using, will depend on the packer used. The all-important P-System configurator, which will aid in you picking which packer is needed. The cordless Zeta does come with a dust bag as well. Very efficient. Would still recommend an extractor where possible, just to help clear the dust out, but it does catch a huge amount of dust. You then have stop square fence for extra stability. They include a little sample pack of connectors with it, so you get an idea of each connector available to you with this machine. And we have the Clamex drill jig. So fitted to it already is the adapter for the P14 connector. This is the P10 and it comes with a drill with drill jig stop. And last but not least, you've got the two hex keys, or hex and a Torx, for removing the base plate and then for loosening the screws that hold the blade in should you need to. So the machine we've looked at there is the cordless Zeta P2 with the two batteries and charger. Should you have Casa Alliance batteries already, Metabo being one of them, you can buy this as a body only. You'll get everything included that we've just been looking at, apart from the two batteries and chargers, so everything else remains the same. You then have the option to upgrade the kit further, whether it be body only or with the batteries. You can upgrade and include one of these. This is the Lamello assortment of P14 connectors in there. You've got a mixture of Tensos, Clamex, some Biscos, Medius. There's even the preload clips for the Tenso connectors. Just to give you an introductory to all the P14 connectors. Or you can go even further with that, and you can upgrade to the Lamello Professional Sortainer kit, which is this one. This has 3 drawers, each one full with various information and connectors. So this is the Clamex drawer, whether it be P14, P10, and we've even got some Clamex flexes in here. You then have your Tenso drawer. We've got Tenso P10, Tenso P14, preload connectors and the insertion tool for the connectors. And the Divario drawer with some Biscos. You do get included with this the flexi driver, the plastic marking jig for the Divario, as well as any tooling and drill bits needed for the Divario also. And moving on from that, you can then add on a TCT blade, should you be drilling materials such as natural materials, birch ply, or anything tough. You can put a TCT blade onto that machine as well, should you wish. So now moving on to the corded Zeta P2. In the UK market, this does only come in 240 volt. It's designed as a workshop tool, so they don't create it in a 110 volt. If you do need one to use on site, cordless will be your way to go. This particular one is a diamond model. You can purchase it with a TCT blade as well, so you can have either blade depending on the materials you're using. You've got the 2 and the 4mm packer. You've got the P-System configurator wheel to help you decide which plate to use for your connectors. You've got the 2 Allen keys for removing the base and removing the blade. You also have your stop square fence for angles and stability. The Clamex drill jig and drill bit included. And then a little sample pack of connectors so you can get an idea of what connectors are available for your machine. As with the Cordless Zeta, the cord is no different. You do have the option to upgrade the kit as well, so you can go ahead and purchase the assortment of P14 connectors with it, and that will come as what they class as their basic set. And they also then offer the professional sortainer, which comes with the 3 drawers, wide selection of fittings. And then moving on from that, ProTrade then also offer the Pro Plus set, which would be the Diamond Zeta along with the professional fitting kit and the TCT blade to make sure you're well covered for all materials. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the right package for you. If you are still unsure, please do get in touch. The most expensive package may not be the right package for you, so we'll be happy to assist in guiding you down the correct route. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all future videos. Thanks for watching.